Hello YouTube and welcome back to Theo Tovek channel. My name is Theo, and if this is the first time that you drop by my channel, please subscribe. So today on this video I'm installing the spoiler that I recently received this week. That's the spoiler right there. So I opened it, I tested on the car, and it looks like it fits pretty well. So today I'm going to actually install it. So follow me on this one. Alright guys, for this job we are going to need a few things. The first one is the 3M tape. We are going to apply it on the spoiler like this way. So just like I did here. So I applied two on two sides because I want one layer to secure the front and one layer to secure the back. Both of these will be the one that are holding the spoiler onto the car. The second thing we're going to need is, pair of scissors just to cut the 3M tape and mold it around the area that we need. We are going to need some paper towel. You can also use a fiber cloth. We are going to need some rubbing alcohol because we will clean up this area. Since this is where the spoiler is going to stay, we will clean up that area in a second, and we will need a heat gun or a hair dryer. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. That will work well for this one. I will be applying the rubbing alcohol into the towel here and clean up the area really quick before we can test everything to make sure it fits well. I know it fits because I've tested that already earlier today. So we can place that there. So we wait for it to dry a little bit, but while it is drying, I will just test fit really quick so I will see how everything is going to go. This is pretty much how it will be. You have to make sure you check all of the sides because that's pretty important that it matches, appropriately. Alright, so this is pretty much how it's going to be. This is how it will be. Normally you're supposed to use masking tape to kind of like put some layers here so that you can flip it, remove the 3M tape and secure everything, but I forgot to buy it. So I have to use this Scotch tape, which is not good for the paint, but I don't feel like going to the store right now to buy it. I'm tired. So I'm just going to use that. Hopefully the damage is not too bad here. So let me just do that. What this is going to do is pretty much is going to secure the area where the spoiler is going to stay, because we already know that this is the final location. So we just put a few layers like this. So the final step is pretty much to lift this way. Pretty much remove the 3M tape, put it back. But before we do that, we want to heat up a little bit the area just for the glue to stick pretty well. So I'll just spray this a little bit like this. Just heat up the area a little bit just for it to be warm. It doesn't have to be pretty hot, just warm. This is just for the glue to stick pretty well to the car. So now you pretty much remove the tape. And you flip it slowly and slowly to the final location. little bit to the side. Check this side, everything is fine here. Everything is fine there. And press it. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the end of the install. You see how beautiful it looks? I love it, man. It makes the car more aggressive. I just love it, man. Look at the profile behind me. I think it came out pretty well. It didn't come out quite perfect. There's slight little imperfection, but you can't really see it unless you come very close. So I think I like it, and yeah. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe and let me know what you want me to do next on my car, and I will see if I can do it. Thank you guys, and stay blessed.